This is Professor Akbar from Bimtech. I am also advisor at Bimtech, strategy, innovation and entrepreneurship area. Strategic management is a key component of the LEAD program that we deliver at Bimtech. The most important part, of course, of the leader is the foresight and clear vision, which means seeing the unknown in the future, and based on this, developing the strategic decision making, and then marshalling resources and developing capabilities so that each decided action is properly assessed and implemented. And of course, one has to carry the teams together so that they row in one direction. And finally, managing the crisis as they inevitably arise.